Growing up, we hardly fall sick, not because we had the best hospitals, but because our grandmother cooked something powerful for us. Today, I want to share this herbal drink, not as a miracle cure, but as traditional wisdom that supported our health. Hello friends, you're welcome to Nature, Health and Healing. My name is Jetty. I decided to make this video today with my face because my family here, my subscribers, demanded that I should do a video with my face. Who am I to oblige? Here is the video. Hope you like it. This channel is about natural wellness, traditional knowledge, and learning how to care for our bodies with wisdom and balance. Please stay tuned to the end because end of this video, I'll be sharing to you how I prepare these herbal drinks and I will show you myself drinking it so that you know that I'm not capping. Okay, if you watch this video to the end, you will learn the process of preparing the herbs. If you have inflammation, pain in every part of your body, if you're always getting tired, always having headache, make sure you watch this video to the end. Or if you have a grandma, if you have a mother that is sick, they will need this video. I'm telling you. My grandmother believed that sickness starts when the body becomes weak from the inside. So from time to time, she would cook a mixture of herbs and spices for the family. We drank it warm and honestly, we hardly fall sick. Now that she had passed on, I realized how powerful that knowledge was. That's why I decided to share it here. In many African cultures, after a woman gives birth, elders prepare a special herbal drinks like this one. The new mother drinks it daily for about 1 month to help her body recover, regain strength, and protect her from falling sick. I personally drank this after giving birth. That's how I truly understood how powerful this drink is. It helps my body feel stronger during recovery. What is in the herbal mix? This drink is made by combination of herbs and spices. Cook them for 20 minutes and drinking in moderation. When you cook these herbs, you drink it first thing in the morning and last thing at night. Drink it warm, please. Do not abuse this. Drink in moderation. Let me walk you through each ingredient and why it matters. Number 1, turmeric. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, support immunity, helps body detox and liver detox, support joints and body strength. Ginger. Ginger improves digestion, fights cold and flu, reduces nausea, improves circulation, helps reduce inflammation. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It boosts immunity, supports heart health, helps fight infection, supports blood pressure balance. Prekese. Prekese is a powerhouse of herbs. Prekese, popularly known as Aidan fruit. Prekese supports immune system. Prekese helps cleanse the blood. You need to cleanse your blood once every 6 months. Prekese supports digestion, helps regulate blood sugar, antimicrobial properties. Rodo, African pepper, boosts metabolism, improves circulation, clears digestion, supports heart health. It has antibacterial effect. Black pepper improves nutrition absorption. It helps turmeric work better. It improves digestion, reduces inflammation, antioxidant support. Negro pepper, called Uda or Ehu. Negro pepper boosts immunity, fights inflammation, supports digestion, helps respiratory health, is an antibacterial and antimicrobial. So do you see how powerful Negro pepper is? Cinnamon. Cinnamon helps control blood sugar, supports heart health, fights bacteria, improves digestion, reduces inflammation. Clove. Clove is a strong antimicrobial. It supports digestion. It supports oral health, boosts immunity, and rich in antioxidants. Let me give you this secret. If you notice that you have mouth odor, after brush your mouth is still smelling, take 2 pieces of cloves, chew it. It will destroy every bacteria that causes mouth odor, right from your mouth down to your stomach. Lime. Lime boosts immunity, supports liver detox, improves digestion, supports skin health, fight infection, while our mothers combine this mixture together. When combined, these herbs support the body by reducing inflammation, strengthens immunity, improves digestion, and protecting against infection, any kind of infection. This drink will wash it off your system. If you have hormonal imbalance, this drink will balance your hormone. If you have not been seeing your period, you know you're supposed to see them, this drink will eliminate whatever it is and you will start seeing your period. This is not about one ingredient. It is about balance, but very, very important. Listen, this drink is powerful and should be taken in moderation. It may not be suitable for everyone, okay? Especially pregnant women. How I prepare the remedy. Meanwhile, our ancestors didn't have modern medicine, but they had wisdom. This drink supported health. It wasn't abused. Natural remedies works best when used gently and respectfully. Small but consistency. That is how we take it. I will show you the glass shot that I used to take mine. Half cup in the morning, half cup at night. Drink it to warm. So this is all the ingredients. I like to pound it in order to get all the benefit. Put it inside a pot, then add the water, then cook it for 20 minutes. Then you bring it down and look at the result here. And this is me in the morning. I've not eaten anything and I'm not the only one that will be taking it. So friends, if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe and turn on your notification for you to be notified whenever I upload a video like this, because I have more powerful remedies I will share with you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.